Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today we'll try to do the under benchmark test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device when the battery percentage is 1% and charging at same time. Yes friends, this is a unique kind of testing which I thought of doing on the OnePlus Nord 2. Recently I did the same kind of testing on the Realme GT and few of the users who did ask me to do same kind of video on the OnePlus Nord 2. Let's see. The OnePlus Nord 2 has the same 65 watt of charger which is a wrap charge. So how much charging the phone will be able to happen and how much the CPU and the GPU scores we can actually expect in the Antutu benchmark and how much high temperatures the phone can actually reach. So this is a very intense kind of testing, next level testing I'm going to do right now. Let me to disable the Wi-Fi connection. So Wi-Fi is also disabled at this moment, as you can see, and clearing everything from the background applications. So only using the high performance mode at this point, I'm trying to run the Antutu benchmark application. And starting from 1%, as you can see friends, exactly. So this is the scores which we got before. So I'm taking the screenshot as well, and is a charger which I'll be connecting right now. And let me need to connect the charger and start the stopwatch. It's start the Antutu benchmark at same time. Charging is connected. Right now you should be able to see flash charge. As you can see, wrap charge is connected at this moment. And test is started successfully. And before starting the test, the temperature is of 32 degrees at this moment. Not bad. 32.6 degrees and backs are 32 degrees. Let's see friends how much high the temperatures the phone can actually increase during this process. Charging and using Antutu benchmark at same time with high performance mode. Fantastic test to see the results. So again I'll be back after some time just to check how much the temperatures can actually increase during this process of demonstration. In case if you are having any other doubts on this OnePlus Nord 2, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to make those videos as soon as possible for you all on this OnePlus Nord 2. Not bad, 34 degrees at this moment. So I'm going to be back after a certain amount of time. So right now we are getting to the end of this testing in the Antutu benchmark test in the OnePlus Nord 2, and the temperature is of 38 degrees at this moment in this OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see, 37 degrees and 37.8 degrees. Not bad. Let's see friends how much higher the temperatures can actually reach in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So that's going to be really very interesting test to see. Right now it's 96%, not bad at all. So let's see how much the score will be there. So how much phone got charged, let me need to check. It charged up to 19%, not bad. So starting from 1%, charger to 19% at the end of the Antutu benchmark test. And finally the results are going to complete. It's about 80%, 90% and 100% finished. And here comes the results. As you can see, 6,61,000. So not bad at all friends, because before also I did get the slimmer kind of score which is about 6,70,000. So I did not see any kind of changes happen at this moment. That's good. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. I just want to see while charging in the starting from 1%, and if you try to do this kind of heavy test on this OnePlus Nord 2, will it be able to survive or not? I think it will be able to survive if you use the high performance mode. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I'll stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.